Ethereum is testing a crucial support level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. For those of you that want to stay up to date with my trade setups as well as all of my signals, make sure to check out the link in the bio. My Telegram channel is completely free with all the market updates and trades that you possibly need. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 on trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see on Ethereum, we have ended up in our daily support level of 2305. For those of you that were part of Telegram, as well as for those of you that have been watching my videos, you guys know that this was our overall take profit, because of course that this is pretty much where the move set started. You can see that Ethereum initially had its break structure from this zone, hitting into the exponential moving averages and then using them on support on the way towards the upside. And as of right now, we have pretty much completed this area of support. And now the question of course remains is, are we going to see a bounce formation on Ethereum, or of course are we going to see a break structure? And that of course is a question on everyone's mind. And before we go ahead and answer that, we have to pay attention to a few things. Number one, we all know the fact that Ethereum is extremely oversold, but before we jump ahead into that, I want to talk about the 4-hour structure here on the exponential moving averages. The problem with RSI in general as an indicator is the fact that we were oversold here at 2415. We were also oversold here at 2400, and now you can see we are still oversold on 2305. The reason why I tell you guys is to pay attention at the larger picture and not just off an indicator is because of the fact that if you solely went off the indicator being oversold and expecting a bounce formation on Ethereum, you definitely ended up losing money. The question now is of course at 2305, can the bulls end up seeing some sort of relief rally and breaking above the exponential moving averages and using them as support? That's what we need to see in order for us to have a continuation trade. In order for us to have a swing long, that is the first step to the equation, is at least breaking into the exponential moving averages. The problem though that I see right now on Ethereum is the fact that you can see 2305 doesn't really have much weight to it anymore. We have broken below this level not once, but you can see probably 15 times in between just this range right here. So this area of support has become a lot weaker. If we are looking for any sort of bounce structure at this zone, be ready for some sort of choppiness in the water. What I mean by that is some sort of wick low, grabbing one last liquidity hit around 2280-ish before we see any sort of relief rally, because of course this isn't a clean bounce opportunity anymore. When we originally had the dump on Ethereum right here on break structure of 2429, you can see we did have a clean bounce on 2305, but then what happened next was the structure ended up breaking again and hitting that same support, and then we started to consolidate at that zone. That's why we have to be careful on this support level and be careful on long positions, because this isn't really the area of support you want to be paying attention to. Instead, it's going to be somewhere around the 2029 on a daily support level for a massive trade opportunity. If we look here on the daily structure, you can see the fact that even here we are seeing quite a bit of choppy waters. Yes, we are completely over leveraged from our exponential moving averages, and of course if we are expecting any sort of relief rally, it would be around this zone, but not before we take out these wick lows right here. You can see that even on the daily we've tested these wicks multiple times, which is why I keep warning you guys, please be careful with your trading opportunities and entries here. You don't necessarily want to get caught out on one last move overall. But in general though, Ethereum of course we have to pay attention to the exponential moving averages. From a long perspective, this is the first step, is breaking above that zone. The second step of course would become using that same level as support, and then the third step would be that retest confirmation on 2429. Right now we have no reason to be looking for long positions because we're still trading below our exponential moving averages. So simply put, if we keep hitting and rejecting off the EMAs, we are still going to be shorting. You can see from previous price analysis, every single time we've hit the exponential moving averages, using them as resistance, we have been shorting and profiting on Ethereum. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 on trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio if you guys have one.